Hey, how's it going, guys? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can swap a variety of cryptocurrencies on a trustworthy website conveniently, quickly, easily, and without having to give any of your personal information or do any KYC or anything like that. And this is going to be done through a website called ChangeNOW. So when you go to the ChangeNOW website, you'll be presented with a homepage that looks like this. Now, there's not really much on their homepage. They just kind of give you some information on why you should use their service and things like that. One thing I did want to show you first of all, though, is if you scroll all the way down here to the bottom of the page, it's going to have a list of all the supported coins. Okay, now this isn't all of them. If you click on this, all currencies, it's going to take us to an even bigger list. And if we scroll down, once it loads, we can click on view all or show all. And this is the list of all the supported currencies on ChangeNOW. Okay, I think there's over 300 right now. There's 314 different currencies that work on this website. And they're adding more and more all the time as well, okay? So yeah, if you go back to the home page, I'm just going to show you how to do an exchange, okay? It is very, very simple, very straightforward on ChangeNOW. But yeah, some of you might not know how to do it. I'm just going to show you very, very quickly right here. So from the drop down menu right here, you're just going to choose what currency you want to send. Okay, this is the currency you want to get rid of. So for this example, yeah, I'm just going to leave it as Bitcoin. I'm going to say I want to exchange 1 Bitcoin for, I'm just going to leave it as Ethereum as well. But make sure you've chosen your currencies. For example, if you have some USDT, but you would like to receive some BNB, just click that, okay? You send USDT, you get BNB. Choose whatever currencies you want. For this example, yeah, I'm going to put it back to Bitcoin. I'm going to send 0.1 Bitcoin, and I want to receive Ethereum. So I'm just going to click on Ethereum right here. And there we go, boom. So I will be sending 0.1 Ethereum, and I'm going to get Bitcoin, sorry, and I'm going to get 1.4 Ethereum exchanged back to me. Okay, so right here, just gonna click on exchange. All right, right here, it's just gonna be like a confirmation screen. Just confirm the amounts you want to send and show you roughly how much you'll be receiving. So again, yeah, we want to send 0.1 Bitcoin, and I'm gonna get 1.443145 Ethereum returned to a wallet of my choice, which we need to put here. Okay, so in this box right here, you need to put your address. Whatever currency you're receiving, you need to make sure you put an address for that currency, okay? So because I want Ethereum, I need to get an Ethereum address, which I have right here already, okay? So I'm just gonna copy this and paste it in right here. Now be sure you use the correct address for whatever currency you're receiving, or you could risk losing it all. So just double or even triple check your address and your amounts right here. And when you're ready, just click next, and you'll have another confirmation screen here for you to check your amounts and wallet address again. Okay, so yeah, just double check your numbers right here. And this is how much you'll roughly receive. This is how much you send in. That's your address, blah, blah, blah. This is how long it's going to take. This right here is just to be sure that you are on the real ChangeNOW website. Okay, so you're going to want to come up here and see this. If you have this little lock thing here, connection is secure. They have a certificate and all of that good stuff. This is the real website, okay? Just be sure you're on there. The reason they have this is because there are a lot of like phishing websites, scam websites out there, which will like look like the ChangeNOW website, but it won't be the real one, okay? So make sure you're on the real ChangeNOW website just by seeing changenow.io and seeing this little thing right here, okay? So once you've double checked everything, you're just gonna wanna click on confirm again. And then it'll bring you to a page where they are awaiting your deposit, okay? And they'll give you an address to send whatever currency you selected. In my case, it was 0.1 Bitcoin. So I would go to my Bitcoin wallet, click on withdraw, and copy and paste the address they provided. So this one right here, I would copy this, and then I would withdraw from my wallet to this address, okay? It is pretty straightforward. After they receive the 0.1 Bitcoin or whatever crypto you chose, and they've exchanged it and sent it to the address you provided, you'll just be taken to a confirmation screen of the transaction, okay? So be sure, I would just need to send 0.1 Bitcoin to this address right here. Once I've done that, they will then send me my 1.44 Ethereum to the address I gave them, which is this one right here. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much how to make an exchange on ChangeNOW. The whole process takes less than 5 minutes to do. As you can see, it was very simple and straightforward. But if you do need any extra help, you're confused, you're lost, just please drop a comment down below and I'll help you out down there as soon as possible, okay? But as for this video, that's going to be it. That is ChangeNOW in a nutshell. If you're interested in easily exchanging crypto with no KYC or anything like that, go check them out. I'll leave a link below this video in the description and pinned comment just to make it easy for you to find. Thank you so much for watching until the end of the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment for the YouTube algorithm, share the video with anyone who would be interested in this, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you in the next video.